Hey, are you ready to learn thoknath? Okay, let's start it from the beginning here. You are my brother. You are my brother. Jin, Jin, Damar. Jin Damar. You are my brother. Jin Damar. You can use this one. Jin Damar. She is my sister. Nyimar. Nyimar. She's my sister. He is my brother. Damar. This one Nyimar. This one Damar. Okay. You are my mother, right? Ejin Mar. You are my father. Ejin Guar. Ejin Guar. You are my father. You are my father. Ejin Guar. You are my parent. Ke Yen Diet Ka Ke Yen Diet Ka. You are my parents. Ke Yen Diet Ka, because there's S here, it has to be Ke Yen Diet Ka. If there's no S, you can say Ejin Diesem or something like that, or you can say Ejin Mama or Ejin Kayendiska, something like that. So you go with this one. Okay, number 7. You are my son. Ejin Gada. Ejin Gada. Okay. You are my daughter. Ejin Nyada. Ejin Nyada. You are my daughter. Number 9. You are my grandmother. Ejin Madong. Ejin Madong. You are my grandmother. Ejin Madong. Number 10. You are my grandfather. Ejin Guadong. Okay. You are my grandfather. Ejin Guadong. And again, you are my uncle. Ejin Nara. You are my uncle. Ejin Nara. Number 12. You are my auntie. Ejin, this is J. Ejin Waida, or you can say Ejin Marlin. Marlin, this is your mother's side and this is your father's side. Ejin Waida. Ejin Marlin is when you are directing it to your mother's side. Ejin Marlin. You are my auntie, Ejin Waida or Ejin Marlin. Number 13. You are my cousin. Okay. Ejin Gat Waida or Ejin Nya Waida. Okay. Or Ejin Nyamalin. Okay. But you can take this one. Ejin Gadwaida. This is father side. Ejin Waida. This also father side, female, and this one is male, and this is mother side. Okay. Your mother sibling, Nyamalin, something like that. Okay. That's it. You are my cousin, Ejin Gadwaida. Let's start from the beginning again. you are my brother. Jin Damar, she's my sister. Nyimar is my brother. Damar, you are my mother. Jinmar, you are my father. Jingwar, you are my parent. Kayendietka, you are my son. Jingada, you are my daughter. Jinyada, you are my grandmother. Jinmadong, you are my grandfather. Jingwadong, you are my uncle. Jinnara, you are my aunt. Jinwaida, or Jinmalin, and you are my cousin. Jingadwaida, or Jinyawaida, or Jinyamalin, something like that. Okay, please share it with others who want to learn Nuer language. Bye bye.